sorry. There's 8 people standing here. Do you see 8 people? Thank you. It's on.
Yeah, sit.
Yeah, yeah, please. All the designers have to go and sit back with them as well. Do you want to go ahead? For it. Good evening and welcome. 6 Degree presents Ambika Lal, Gaurika Sharma, Bandra Narula, and Pinky Agarwal. On behalf of 6 Degree, I have here with me Pooja Das. Pooja, if you could speak to us a little bit about this afternoon.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the 6 Degree Show. Congratulations to all 6 Degree designers, Ambika, Sutash by Gaurika, Bandana, and Purple Feathers by Pinky. It was a fantastic show. Thank you to all the amazing showstoppers we have, Ria, Shibani, Ada, and Himanshu the Sari Man. This is our 10th season with Lakme Fashion Week, and we look forward to many more seasons together. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. You celebrate 10 years with us while Acme Fashion Week celebrates 20 years. That's wonderful. Can we begin by talking to all you designers, asking you about your collections, the muse who sits next to you, what it means, design, silhouette, colors, embroidery, just about everything you want to tell us? We're happy to hear you. Can we start here with Ambika?
Yeah, sure.
There's a mic right in front of you.
Hi. First of all, thank you all of you for loving the collection. And the collection is called the Celestial Collection. This collection is all about something that I wanted to showcase was something very grand, just like our universe. So all the gowns have been inspired by the different components of the universe. And speaking about our lovely showstopper here, she has been the perfect showstopper I could have asked for. She's been so beautiful, and she looked lovely in this big, huge gown with this long trail. She's done justice to it so well. I couldn't have been happier, and thank you all once again.
Thank you. If I can now speak to Bandana.
Hi. Hi, thank you so much for loving the collection. This was my debut show, and basically my collection was inspired by, it was an amalgamation of chevrons and florals. And I've always been intrigued by the pattern chevron. So I said, since it's my first show, let's bring the pattern into my collection. And the collection has, the entire line is prethwear. We have a lot of anarkalis with a lot of chic pleats. And the skirts also have similar drape. And we've used a lot of pockets to give the same feel. And yeah, so that's about my collection. And about Shibani, I couldn't think of anybody but Shibani to do this for me. And I think she looked lovely, and she just stole the show.
Wonderful. I don't think we have to guess Pinky.
Yeah.
Purple Feathers. Talk to us a little bit about that.
My collection is Mystical Curves. This collection is for the modern women who know how to carry themselves very stylishly in a very simple way. And the best person to nail the show was Ada. So she was the best choice which I made. So I am proud.
That's so sweet.
Very thankful to Ada.
Wonderful. And if we can speak to you, Gaurika, about your collection, and help me pronounce it correctly. Sutash?
Sutash. So actually, we have become really thick friends. So I'm going to talk about the collection, if you don't mind.
Because we've been discussing it to the head. So now I think he knows more than
I've
me.
internalized it.
Wonderful.
So Sutash is a lovely brand because this collection, the way we were, mixes contemporary and vintage ideas in a very beautiful way. So as we were discussing once, it's a little bit of nostalgia tinted with futurism. It takes influence from the work of Dutch painter Rembrandt, and it's very interesting to see how she's interpreted the paintings of Rembrandt in various techniques, from print to embroidery, and how that is also a beautiful way of bringing in the crafts traditions of India.
Lovely. So I would love to thank Himanshu to be a part of my show. And the sari is the national costume of our country. And I really thought, why not? And why can't he be my showstopper? Because he promotes saris, he curates shows, he and he loves to wear them, and he looks wonderful in them, and he's known as the sari man. And I think he's just been the perfect showstopper for me, because I love saris too and I promote them myself. Thank you so much, all of you, for being there.
Thank you so much. Himanshu, now that we've already heard from you, do you have anything more that you'd like to add? Otherwise, I'm going to ask her about the mystical curves that are on her head.
Just to say that it's fun being at Lakme Fashion Week, where the whole curation breaks the norms of what fashion should be and how it's presented. So it was lovely being here. Thank you.
It's perfect. This is the perfect platform to break norms and to set new trends. So I think I'm very happy we did that today. Ada, if you can talk to us a little bit about the collection that you modeled with today.
Well, it's Mystical Curves, and I don't have too much on my head in life, really. So Pinky was like, let's give you some weight. So we did this. I think it's a very wearable collection, but because it was the showstopper outfit, we decided to add some weight to it. And yeah, Mystical Curves, it's angelic, it's ethereal, and yeah, it's quite magical. And I love this headpiece. It's my neck is getting really strong, but I think I really liked your entire collection. I saw all the models backstage, and I was like, I can wear all these outfits. Like in real life, they're very wearable, and I love the outfit I'm wearing also. So thank you, Pinky.
Yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
extremely flowy and pretty.
Thank you.
And your hair, I think, is stealing the show.
That as well.
Yes. Shivani, if you can talk to us a little bit, because this is contemporary Indian wear, and I think when she said pockets, my eyes lit up, because any outfit with pockets is a winner.
Yeah, I mean, I think especially with Indian outfits, when you're at events, weddings, I should call them rather, not events. But when you're at, functions for like 6-7 hours, to always be able to slip a mobile phone into your pocket, or just carry snacks in case you get tired or something. It's nice to have that. I think the way that we're reinventing traditional clothing is incredible. I love working with a designer who is doing a debut collection, because it's like a blank canvas, the chaos of Fashion Week, and being able to put her art out there for the world to see, and putting in 6 to 8 months of effort, and then it all being over in like a couple of minutes. It's so great when you've done Fashion Week for so long, to be on a journey with somebody who's doing it for the first time, and to kind of hold their hand and be there for them. And it was my absolute pleasure, because I think Bandana is not only a wonderful designer, a great artist, but she's also such a beautiful person. And I think to be thrown into this world for the first time and handle it with such poise and elegance, and she's so super calm, I think she did a fabulous job.
Oh, that's so sweet. Ria, if you can talk to us a little bit about the collection.
अभी तो मैं ही बची हूँ, मुझे ही बोलना पड़ेगा. I think, first of all, Lakme Fashion Week and 6 Degrees have been putting up some very nice, cool, interesting new shows, and so kudos to that, and a round of applause for all of you all. And of course, secondly, but firstly, Ambika's debut collection at Fashion Week, I was really happy to be part of it. I think that her collection defines her in a way, because now that I've known her in the last few days, her collection is all about the universe and the stars and the moon.